Boom, what's up everybody? My name is Kim and today we're going to be continuing our Compositing 101 tutorial. I have this image here from of a Bentley and I found it on stock, so I just searched for cars and you scroll down here a little bit. And there it is. And then I have this other photo, which is picture here, the sunset one we're gonna use and replace. Okay, so you can see I've cut out a few things here, and I'm gonna show you how I cut out on this little window here and then the rest of the stuff. So if you like this tutorial, please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment down below, and we're just gonna get straight to it. Turn on all these layers again. You can see here where I cut out stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one on so we have, just so you can see for the wider. I'm gonna now use the pen tool and cut out this what's left here on this side window. So hit P on your keyboard. I'm gonna start right about there and then just go down, and if you cut a little bit inside, it doesn't really, that just helps sell the effect. So then I'm gonna go down here. You can see that's where the mirror is. I'm gonna turn this, so if you can hold down Alt, or if you let go you can hold down Control and Alt and then get it back so you can move it. And now I'm gonna continue this shape here. There we go. So now we have that done. Hit select or selection there, go up to select, invert pixel selection, make sure you're on that Bentley layer, go down here, click there, and now Control D to deselect. You can see we still have some stuff we need to cut out down here. So I'm gonna hold here and then I'm gonna click on the outside of the image. There we go. I'm gonna go up. I'm gonna Control C just to, I know I'm in there, so I'm gonna now hold there. Hold on Alt again. Now I'm gonna try and get this curve. It's tough to see since it's white and white, but so that was a bit wrong. I'm gonna go a little bit closer here. There we go. Now we're getting that whole thing. I'm just gonna close it down, hit selection. I'm gonna go up here, select again, invert selection, and the mask, layer mask icon there. Control D. So now if I zoom out, we can see we have all the windows cut out. I've also cut out the nav here. Where are you? Oh, it should be one of the, this one here, is it? So you can see it's black. I cut it all out, and then I took, if I turn this off, I duplicated that background image, named it nav, made it small, and then turn on this layer again. So now you have it here in the nav screen. So it shows you what what we're looking at on the outside is supposed to look like. And I kind of want to do something here with this mirror, because it's not looking particularly great. And I'm gonna cut that out as well. I'm gonna hit P again. I'm gonna zoom in. And we're just gonna go like so. There we go. I'm gonna go continue, just drag it out like there. Try and get all the nice clean edges here. Another nice clean edge there. I missed. I don't know what my mouse keeps or my pen keeps dropping. I think I must be low on power, low battery on it, and connect that one. Then his selection, go again up to select, invert pixel selection, and hit here. So if we now zoom out here, and I'm just going to change here, you can see here that that doesn't look really good. It just looks like there's a empty thing there. So we might I'm gonna put a contrast in here, is what I'm thinking of. So I'm gonna go in here and type winter mountain, and I'm gonna this has some red and purple in it. I kind of want the northern lights in there for we're just gonna see here real quick. There we go. I like that better. It's still not 100% fantastic, but that kind of gives it a more fairy tale look. And you can also add it into the mirrors here. So let's do that really quickly, and then that's pretty much concludes this tutorial. So I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna zoom back in, Control plus, hold down spacebar, go out here. Now we're gonna hit P again. I'm gonna start here. There we go. And now there we go again. Just gonna leave it out here with the black in between there. That way it looks like it is a mirror still. Then we're just gonna take that one out, and then I'm gonna duplicate this image, Control J, and I gotta zoom out a little bit again, and V, move it. Now I can zoom it up a little bit here on this side here. But now again we gotta do double click there, selection, invert, and then hit there, Control D, and then I can zoom back out again. So now we can see we have there. We gotta do same thing here. So just Control plus, zoom in, spacebar, and then move over here. Now we're gonna do the same thing, hold P there. There we go. Then hit selection there, invert, and then do let's see, another one here. Oh, so we gotta go up there and now hit perfect. Okay, zoom back out again. Now we can take this one and then Control J, copy it. Now we're gonna I'm gonna move it over. Okay, so we're gonna delete that one, and I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna take this one, Control J, and then we're gonna move it back over here. That way it'll be more easy to see. And we can take, okay, that's the wrong one. There we go. Now we can go here and then be on this image again, go up to select, and then invert pixel selection, and then hit the mask. So now if we zoom out and Control D, now we have sort of a continuity in it. We can see it in this mirror, and this mirror. And so that's how you can easily manipulate and composite like product photos, or make if it doesn't look great what's on the outside of your car, like here, if you did if you wanted to sell your car and stuff like that, or just show it off on whatever social media you wanted, this is how you can do it really easily. Again, if you like this tutorial, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and I'm sorry about that, that's my dog. And we'll see you again next time.